Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make double-sided bookmarks at home. The printer that I use doesn't print double-sided, so I figured out a way to do it myself. And I thought I'd share in case anyone else wanted to do it too. So let's get into the tutorial. So as always, I start off with drawing my design in Procreate and then I just export that as a PNG. And now in Canva, I just make a letter-size canvas and import my design. The trick here is to make sure that the bookmarks are an equal distance from each other and that they're in the middle of the page. I first use these rectangles to make a template, and Canva's spacer tool makes sure that they're in the middle of the page. I saved this file as a PDF and now it's ready to print. And for paper, I just used this white heavy cardstock. I think it's about 110 pounds, so it's pretty sturdy. First, I just print the front page as I normally would. When that's done, I take out the paper and facing me, I flip it to the left and just put it back into the paper tray. Depending on how you want your design to look when flipped, you may have to turn it the other way. Now, because I made sure the design was exactly in the middle of the page, the back will line up exactly with the front. And now I just cut them out as I normally would. So in my shop, I offer glossy and holographic bookmarks, so I just made a few of each option to finish them up. And that's it. I'm glad I was able to work out how to do this from home because it will make things a lot easier, and it can also be cheaper if you don't want to buy a huge amount of bookmarks from a manufacturer. I'm really happy with the print quality of the bookmarks and how seamlessly they line up to be double-sided. So thanks so much for watching, and if you liked this video or if it helped you, I hope you consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel for more. I hope you have a wonderful day or wonderful rest of your day. Bye!